Hello friends, welcome to our new channel Crazy Tech Video, and on this channel you will be finding amazing application, amazing tricks and tips every day. So let's start the first video. And in this video I'm going to show you 5 amazing application for WhatsApp user. And all the application are really amazing and very useful. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Now the first application I have right now for you, that is Chatbin Recover Deleted Messages. This is an amazing application with more than 1 million downloads, and I'm going to click on open and I'll show you all the feature of this application. So this is the interface which you will be getting when you install this application on your phone, and on the right side of the bottom you will be finding an option of message. Click on that, and here you can select the country and then you can enter any phone number. Let's suppose if I enter this number, and then when I click on this proceed, I can able to send the message to this person directly without saving his number on our phone. So this feature is really amazing. Otherwise we have to save the phone number in our phone if we need to send any message to anyone on WhatsApp. With this feature you don't need to save his number, you can directly send the message to anyone. Now let's talk about the second feature of this application. You can click on this icon on the right side of the bottom here, and here you will be finding all the status which is there on your WhatsApp. See these all are the status which is already there in my WhatsApp. I can click any one of them. Let's suppose if I click on this one, this is a video. I can click on this icon on the right side of the top. I can able to download this status directly in my phone, and then I can click on this one and I can upload this status on my WhatsApp status as well. So this is an amazing feature as well, which you can also try to download anyone WhatsApp status and upload it onto your WhatsApp status. Now let's talk about the main feature of this application, which I really like. Whenever anybody sends you a message, let's suppose there is a message which I received here, this one, and before I read this message was got deleted and I could not able to read what exactly the message was sent to me. But if you have this application, you can able to read those messages which is being deleted. Before you read it, you can check it here. See this? These are the messages which got deleted here. It was hello and what are you doing. So anybody send you a message and delete those messages, you can able to read those messages here in this application directly coming in. And it can also applicable for Instagram, and you can also add as many as application by clicking on this plus sign. When you click on this plus sign, you can select any application here as well, like this. See this? I have added the Facebook as well. So this application is really amazing with lots of features, and you can use it for WhatsApp, Instagram or other applications as well. So you must try this application. Now the second application is also really amazing, and for that you have to go to the Google Play Store and install this application, whose name is Skiddit Scheduling app. This application is really amazing with more than 1 million downloads. Let me open it and let me show you the features. When you open this one, you can able to sign in here, or you can create your account, or you can also click on this skip here. And when you click on this one, you will be getting this page. But when you create your account and sign up with this account, you will be finding it there many features. Now let me just create an account and let me show you what kind of features you will be getting when you create a new account. So I'm going to click on create account here, and then you will be getting this page. And here you can see here you get more feature here. You get WhatsApp business as well, and email and call. Actually what exactly this application do, with this application you can able to schedule your WhatsApp messages, your phone messages and your call and your email as well. Let me show you one of them. Let's suppose if we click on this WhatsApp, and here first of all you have to select the name of the person. This one I'm selecting it there, and I'm gonna select here good morning, and I schedule this message early in the morning around 6 o'clock a.m. Like 6 a.m. automatically my WhatsApp will send a good morning message to this particular person. And then you can click on this icon which is on the right side of the top, and your work is done. Now you see this one, there is a one message is automatically get scheduled in WhatsApp. This message automatically delivered to my friend exactly at 6 o'clock. In the same way you can also send an email and the calls and SMS as well to your client, to your friend, or if you want to wish any birthday or marriage anniversary to anyone. So this application is a unique application and really amazing and very useful as well. I personally use this application for scheduling the messages on WhatsApp as well. So you should try this application. Link you will be getting in the description. Now let's talk about the third application, which is also very important and very useful for WhatsApp user, and the name of the application is Auto Reply for WhatsApp. Now let me open this one and let me show you the feature of this application as well. First of all, it will ask you some permission which you have to allow in order to work this application properly in your phone. So allow all the permission one by one. Now first of all, when you open this application, it will come up like this. Now let me tell you what exactly this application do. Whenever anybody, your friend or your girlfriend sends you a message on WhatsApp, you don't need to reply to them. This application automatically reply to them on their WhatsApp account. You don't need to bother anything. This application is very useful if you have your birthday or your marriage anniversary or anything, and you get so many of wishes from your friends and your family members, and you can't able to reply them one by one. So that point of time, this application automatically reply them and make it very easy. So first of all, you have to click on this icon which is on the right side of the top, and then click on this plus sign which is on the right side of the bottom. When you click on this one, you will be reaching here. Here you have to type a message, that on what message this application react to. So let's suppose if I type here happy birthday. So if anybody sends you a exact message of happy birthday, then this application will reply like this, thank you, like this. So you can simply type the first message here and then the second message here, and after that, if you want to make some other setting, you can check it one by one here as well, and then you can click on this icon and it is being done. See this? It is being done right now, and you can see here this application will automatically send thank you message to everybody whosoever send you a message of happy birthday. In the same way, you can make as many as auto reply on this application, and this application automatically reply to them. You don't need to worry anything about that, and that will make it very easy for you as well. So I hope you like this application as well. Link you will be getting in the description. You must try this application as well. Now it's time for fourth application, and fourth application is very useful if you love to upload your status on your WhatsApp. So for this, you have to again go to the Google Play Store and install this application whose name is What's Not for WhatsApp. Open this application and I'll let you know how this application properly works and how it will be very useful for you as well. When you open this application, it will be come up like this. You will be getting all the numbers and everything here, and you can click on this question mark which is on the right side of the top, and these are the instructions how you need to use it. But let me tell you what is the use of this application. If you love to upload your videos and photos on your WhatsApp status, but there are some people to whom you don't want to show your WhatsApp status and you want to ignore them, so this application in that case help you. With this application, you can able to hide your WhatsApp status from unwanted people. First of all, you have to make sure that that person name is not saved in your phone twice. And then secondly, you have to make your WhatsApp setting like this in the same way as it is there in the picture. Third thing is you have to refresh all the contacts, and then your work is done, and this application automatically hide and he won't able to see your videos which is on your WhatsApp status. So this is an amazing application if you want to hide your WhatsApp status from unwanted people. So you should try this application. It is very useful. Now let's talk about the fifth application which we have. Actually, this is not an application, it is a website, but it is very useful. For this, you have to go to the Google Chrome and open your Google Chrome and look for a website. Its name is sendgb.com. When you open this one, it will be come up like this. Let me show you what is the use of this website. With this website, you can able to send videos and photos or any file up to 5 GB. We are not able to send anything up to 5 GB within few seconds. Yes, if you try to send any video on WhatsApp directly, it takes so much of time to get transfer, but with this website you can transfer it within few seconds. Let me show you how. First of all, you have to select here, you want to send your video directly to the email or you want to make a link. And when you click on select the link, you can select here message as well, hello, something like that, and then you can click on this plus sign which is on the top and select the video from your phone. Let me select any video from here. Let's suppose if I select this one here, see this one, it is being added here. Now there is one more option here that you can also set here. This video or message can also automatically get destruct after a particular time. I'm gonna select here only for 1 day, and then I can select a password as well which we have to give it to the receiver. So I'm gonna select a password here, 1 2 3 4 like this. This is the password which I have select here, and then I click on this shares file, and when I click on this share file, it will automatically start uploading your video. Now here you can see this one. It will hardly take few seconds to get it uploaded and create a link for you, which link you can share it on WhatsApp, Facebook, or any social media platform, and it will automatically get transferred, and that person will click on that link and open the video and he can able to see that video. So this is an amazing website to share any file which is up to 5 GB, which is not possible directly on any social media. So you should try this website, whose name is sendgb.com. So these are the 5 amazing applications which you can use with WhatsApp. I hope you like all of them. Please let me know which one you like most. Any questions you have related to these applications, simply comment below and we will get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.